In a Microsoft Excel file, you can have multiple sheets. You may wish to work across these sheets at the same time. However, traditionally, you may click between them to find the data. This can allow error or slow you down significantly. We're going to show you how you can view the same file across multiple screens, or the same screen in multiple windows. To do this, simply open the file you wish to work on, select the workbook you want to pop out into a new window, so I'm going to click on Event 2, click the View tab up at the top, and then click the New Window button. This will open it in a separate window, allowing you to drag and drop, for example, to split the screen down the middle, or move to separate screens your two different copies of the same file. As you can see, both of these are updating. If I was to go on event_2 and type in some information, and if I navigate to this on my other window, it will be the same. Hopefully this helps.